I'm Rudrani and I'm in conversation with Tapsi and we are doing this बहुत दूर. वो अपने घर में है, मैं अपने घर में हूँ और ऐसा हमने कभी किया नहीं है और क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा पास बैठ के ही बहुत.
There's always a first time. There's always a first time. You've been here. You've been to my house, so you can get a feel like you are somewhere around only.
Yeah, I've been to her beautiful house, so I know that it's a very. Her house has this really positive vibes also. So I'm sure it's calming in a way, है ना?
Yeah, it is keeping me sane for some time. For some time, it's keeping me sane. I mean, I want to go back to work, but at least it's not bad or a sulking experience to stay at home.
Tell me what, in this quarantine, everybody, now it's been a while, right? Lockdown काफी हो चुका है. What are a few things that you felt has changed about you?
I think मेरे में बहुत ज़्यादा restlessness थी पहले कि अभी ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, and like I was rushing through things lately last couple of years without calmly enjoying them or मतलब आराम से कि हो जाएगा. Everything was like इसी time में सब कुछ कर लेना है because then you have to move on to something else.
Yeah.
So that I think has changed because now time है. So you can do everything at your own pace. You don't have to hit any marks anymore. So I think that calmness has come in life where I've like it's okay. It's at doing things at my own speed. Wala experience काफी time बाद हुआ. And then another thing that I learned, discovered, or whatever about myself was that I've started cooking, which used to be something that I almost borderline hated because I'm not a person who enjoys doing that, standing in the kitchen for hours and stirring and chopping and doing all of that. It's not fun, and all those fumes of inhaling food before you eat it used to my hunger used to die by the time you start eating. So I was not very keen, and because I love eating, so I don't want to go through that process of looking at food, getting it made for so long. तब तक पूरी भूख खत्म हो जाती है. So never I thought I'll be able to do this because I thought कि कुछ भी होगा मैं किसी से बनवा लूंगी, मंगवा लूंगी, कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ कर लूंगी मैं जैसा भी होगा. बट ये ऐसा प्रिडिक्ट नहीं किया था कि ऐसा टाइम आएगा कि ऑप्शन ही नहीं होगा कि अगर खाना पसंद है तो खुद किचन में घुस के बनाना ही पड़ेगा और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. So अब वही करना पड़ रहा है. So I think that was a revelation about my own self that I can cook quite decently. So I've cooked quite a lot of stuff. I've been cooking since the lockdown has happened every day. So yeah, so cooked quite a lot of stuff to get to know that I can cook myself if I want to.
But क्या बनाया? What are the interesting things that you've made?
जैसे आज के मेन्यू के अंदर कड़ी है, कड़ी पकोड़ा होता है जो पंजाबी स्टाइल.
I love
that's कड़ी चावल is in the menu along with जीरे वाले आलू. Then I'll end up making biryani Punjabi style or with some coconut वाला मिल्क डाल के coconut milk डाल के भी बिरयानी बनाई है मैंने. My Shaadi.com column, my matrimonial column, this time I'm telling you it will be like the bestest ever. It will be like the
I wonder what
most enviable column.
क्या गुण होंगे उसमें?
बस सुंदर, सुशील और टिकाऊ बोलने वाली थी मैं. एंड वो खाना भी बना लेती है, घर में झाड़ू पोछा भी कर लेती है, काम भी ठीक ठाक कर लेती है, कमा भी ठीक ठाक लेती है. तो हाँ काफी सब कुछ कर ही लेती है. घर के अंदर का, घर के बाहर का सारा काम कर लेती है.
I mean, she can cook really well. All you have to do is try serving for yourself.
Everything I've done, dusting, cleaning, gardening तो वैसे ही मैं करती थी अपने घर में, plants का take care करना हो तो, and also I can practically do everything. So my matrimonial ad is going to be the bestest ad ever.
यही बाकी
has seen.
अब तो
सर्वगुण संपन्न. I'm telling you.
But is your mother helping you in the cooking? कि वीडियो कॉल में चल रहा होता है कितना देना होता है ये वो नहीं? Just
other people's mothers are helping me. I have some really random aunties on YouTube whose channels I've been following. So now I know a lot of aunties on YouTube who've been making these videos with some really weird framing and weird camera movements and weird commentary going on behind, but it's all fun. There's some guys also who are into it, and they're also quite funny. They're cooking videos. So I've been following all these aunties and uncles and boys and girls who are trying to cook, and I've been following that so much so that I had challenged my mother. I have told her, I was like, मम्मी आपसे अच्छी सब्जी बनाई है मैंने, आप आना मैं खिलाऊंगी, देखते हैं किसकी बेटर बनी है.
Pepsi, only you will learn a skill and want to be number one in it. Oh, that's so you.
मैं कहा मम्मी देखना अभी आपसे अच्छा कड़ी पकौड़ा बनाया मैं देखना अभी. Mummy is very excited. Mummy is like, हाँ मैं आऊंगी ना उसको खिलाई. The mom is like, this quarantine has done something that she was not able to do for 30 years. मतलब 30 तो ज्यादा हो गए, पैदा होते थोड़ा शुरू हो गई थी, बट फिर भी मतलब 20-25 साल से जब मेरी माँ बोली चल ये तो थोड़ा बहुत सीख ले यार, थोड़ा बहुत ये सीख ले, वो सीख ले, ये करना वो करना, कुछ नहीं कभी नहीं सीखा. I think my mom is like thanking quarantine for this to happen.
Watch E-Town News Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom.